Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are looking at the Pheonix large index playing cards. Now for me, I have no idea what Pheonix is. I've seen a lot of magicians online, live shows, they use a Pheonix deck. I didn't know what it was. I thought it may have been a gaffed bicycle deck, but I've done a bit of research and it turns out this has been designed for performance. So these are designed so that when you perform, people in a larger audience can actually see what the cards are from a distance rather than having to watch everything through the big screen or not getting to see it at all. So I really like the idea behind it. It looked like a standard deck, you know, minus the Pheonix itself. On the side we've got air cushion finish made in the USA, air cushion finish made in the USA, Pheonix playing card, designed by Card Shark Germany, manufactured by United States Playing Card Company, and back there, we'll look at that afterwards though. Just going to get into it. So here we have the Joker, it's a Pheonix obviously, and it has the Joker word coming out of the flames at its back. Same again in mirror image, which is pretty cool because the writing's not reflected the other way. Pheonix deck. Carton number, I'm presuming this is a little game. Poker bingo. So these have a large indice. Almost combined, they're almost they're bigger than the pips. So that's pretty cool. The royalty, again, there's no real difference apart from the indices are quite enlarged. The hearts look closer to the ace of spades in size. Have a look and see some of the other aces. Yeah, large diamond, large club. The back, pretty cool. Nice, it looks quite old-fashioned. A mix of sort of, almost like what I said in my last review. It's kind of a mix of sort of floral and tribal, but this is two extremes really. Some very basic leaves there, and then a tribal, very tribal corner there. So here we've got two phoenixes rising at opposing angles opposite each other. They're like turnip leaves and the roots, but they are actually, in fact, phoenixes. Doesn't feel any better or any different. The cardstock's not thinner. I mean, for performance, I suppose that is much more visible. But I mean, generally with performance, you would want to make sure that the cards performed at their best. You know, they were really nice cards to perform with, and it's not just that they're visible, it's that you can do both. I mean, I'm not saying you can't with these, but the focus is on the large print, and Bicycle, United States Playing Card Company, Bicycle, they already make a larger font deck of standards. They do easy low vision as well, which also helps for people colour blindness, so it's sort of high contrast. You know, the high contrast would probably help distinguish between the other cards better to a larger audience. So I don't really know about this, to be honest. I like to think there's a benefit to it, but apart from the visual side of things, being able to see the indices from like a further distance, I don't feel there's any more benefit in the how they would perform. Which for me, I do a few card tricks, but I don't do any cardistry or massive amount of sleight of hand. So I don't really know how well these perform. They feel very much like standards. The easy low vision ones have the same effect as these, handling wise, and they have the vision of this. So is it kind of making a product to fill a gap that isn't there? I don't know. They act like any other decent bicycle deck, but is there any massive benefit to them? I don't know. The jury's out on that one, but they're not bad at all. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.